What's up guys, it's me Rajesh and welcome back to my channel Warrior to Warrior. Today we're gonna discuss on 7 facts about girl. Sad facts. Let's begin now. Number 1. If a girl asks you to leave her alone, she needs you too much at that time. Number 2. If a girl cries, she is not weak. Number 3. If a girl laughs too much at stupid things, she is lonely deep inside. Number 4. If a girl loves to sleep a lot, she is probably a sad. Number 5. If a girl speaks less but speaks fast, she keeps secrets. Number 6. If a girl becomes angry over silly things, it means she needs to be loved. Number 7. If a girl is silent, she is dying from inside. Dear friends, respect every girl because they are far better than a man, because they can take any position in their life. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icons for more updates.